We're gonna give this a try today. Can you pull out a dent with a plunger? Stay tuned and find out. Alright, let's see if this is the urban legend or an urban myth, but we're gonna try to pull out a dent with a plunger. Your ordinary toilet plunger. All you're gonna need is a plunger and some hot boiling water. Of course it's hot if it's boiling. The water creates suction so it can just pull out the dent with no issues. That's what I hope anyway, but you know, it never goes according to plan. So we're gonna give it a shot today. I'm gonna show you guys the dent and explain how it happened, and yeah, hopefully this works out. So let's give it a shot. So yeah guys, I have some pretty sad news about the Subaru. I know my paint was already in bad shape, but now the condition is a little worse. The other morning I was backing out my Harley just like any other morning, and for some reason I felt something crawling up my right arm. You know, maybe a spider. I didn't end up finding anything. So I was backing up this way. Subaru was parked right here, and felt something crawling up my right arm, and next thing you know, I'm going over and the bike's going over too, and we're going right towards the Subaru, and nothing can really stop this Harley once it's over a certain point. It's about 565 pounds, and there's no way I'm stopping that, so I pretty much broke the fall. So my body pretty much broke the fall, so the Harley never hit the Subi. It was strictly just my left shoulder, and then my head banged on the side as well. I'll show you a quick clip of the actual morning when it all happened, and my reaction, and I was just in disbelief. What the fuck? Backing out my motorcycle, lost my balance, felt a spider crawling up my right arm, freaked out, and lost it. Body slammed into the car, helmet slammed into the car, and there's the two dents. I think that's my body slam, and that's my helmet slam. God damn it. I just couldn't believe that it happened. It all happened so fast, and next thing you know, I tipped my bike over for the first time, and it happened to be right into the Subaru, so it's pretty heartbreaking. Here's another look at the damage. As you guys know, my paint has already been going to crap, losing the clear coat, losing all kinds of coats, everything coat, all the way down to bare metal, some rust in some places. But yeah, this is the damn dent right here. I have no idea if I can get it out with a plunger. Being this like quarter panel here, I might have some luck, but I really have no clue. So we're gonna give it a shot right here, right now, and yeah, whatever happens is what you guys are gonna see. But yeah, I can't believe this happened. This is just heartbreaking. This is definitely not what my car needed. I did not need this. I did not need this. But yep, it happened, and now I'm gonna make a video about it. So can you remove a dent with an ordinary plunger? Stay tuned and find out. Well, here goes nothing. Well, here goes nothing. Well, here goes nothing. Ow! Gotta stop that. Well, here goes nothing. Hopefully this is gonna work at all. I really have no idea. We're gonna find out together. Hope it works. Wait for the water to boil and we'll be on to the next step. It's go time, baby. Kind of got one dent out, but it's safe to say this second one is not coming out. I'm gonna keep trying. Let's try again. Might have got that one out a little bit. I swear this top dent came out just a tiny bit. I know it did. Well, I think I need to consult a body shop. This plunger isn't working for me. I wouldn't say that it's a myth, because depending on where the dent is, I'm sure this would work. But in my case, I didn't have any luck. It's not like a normal plunger. I mean, it's got suction and all that, but it's not, you know, it's like a little stubby one, you know? Maybe if I went and got the one out of my toilet right now, you know, maybe it'd work better. But I don't want to shit on my car either. I'm not trying to get shit on my car, so I'm not gonna go get the real plunger inside. I went and bought this at the Home Depot. It's a Corky brand. You think it'd be legit for dents and shits and all that, but maybe it works better on a large dookie. Yeah, this boiling water is great for your clear coat as well. Well, I wish it was that easy, but in my case, it just isn't. I think this was a big fail. A big fail. I had little faith in it working anyway, you know, I just wanted to try it. It's one of those things that you just gotta try once and see if it really works. But I'm sure it probably works in other situations, you know, the dents in different areas and different cars, different quality. Apparently Subaru is built pretty bulletproof and you can't just pull a dent out with a plunger, unlike Toyotas and Hondas. I'm just kidding. Man, I'm worn out after that. So I guess this was my attempt at pulling out a dent with your ordinary house plunger. You could try it if you want, you know. It's got potential, but it all depends on where the dent is and with the quality of the car and all that. I really slammed into the car. I really put some damage on the quarter panel here. My shoulder's pretty hard and my helmet's obviously pretty hard too. So yeah, moral of the story, don't fall over into your Subaru while trying to back out your Harley. You might just ruin it yourself and can't really call insurance on this one. I'm sure there's better plungers on Amazon, strictly just for dent removal. So maybe I'll look into that and get back to you. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about this, but yeah, it's just another imperfection on the Subaru to go along with, you know, all the paint chips and clear coat coming off and everything fading away and rusting away. But yeah, we just got a nice cute couple dents to add to the nice complexion of the car. So I guess I'm gonna thank you guys for watching the video. I'm sorry it didn't work out. You know what they say, if you don't succeed, you gotta try again. So we'll tackle this another day, maybe. I don't know. This concludes the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Just a stupid short video as usual. Just wanted to give this a shot, see if the plunger could pull out a dent. In my case, it didn't. Maybe you would have a different situation. Maybe you would have some success. So let me know in the comments if you ever tried this. And yeah, guys, take it easy. We'll see you later on the next video. Bye. Well, here goes nothing. Well, here goes nothing.